In 1979, he was gunned down while dining at a restaurant in Brooklyn. His murder remains unsolved to this day.
Since then, the men who ordered his gangland execution have gone unnamed.
But it is widely believed that he was killed by rival mobsters who were unhappy with his leadership. Carmine Galante was a notorious American mobster who rose to power in the Bonanno crime family during the 1970s. He was known for his ruthless tactics and his love of cigars, earning him the nickname the Cigar. Born in East Harlem in 1910, Galante began his life of crime in his teenage years, working as a hitman for the Morello crime family. He quickly rose through the ranks and became a made man in the Bonanno crime family in the 1940s. Galante's reputation as a ruthless enforcer soon earned him the respect of his fellow mobsters. He was known for his love of violence and his willingness to use it to protect his interests. He was also known for his love of cigars, which he smoked constantly even during meetings with other mobsters. In the 1970s, Galante became the acting boss of the Bonanno crime family, taking over from Philip Rostelli. He quickly established himself as a powerful and feared leader, expanding the family's operations into drug trafficking and other illegal activities. Galante's legacy as a mobster is a mixed one. On the one hand, he was a ruthless enforcer who engaged in various criminal activities, including murder and drug trafficking. On the other hand, he was a powerful leader who expanded the Bonanno crime family's operations and was respected by his fellow mobsters. Galante's love of cigars also became a part of his legacy. He was often seen smoking a cigar even during meetings with other mobsters. His love of cigars was so well known that he was buried with a lit cigar in his mouth. In conclusion, Carmine Galante was a notorious American mobster who rose to power in the Bonanno crime family during the 1970s. He was known for his ruthless tactics and his love of cigars, earning him the nickname the Cigar. Despite his violent reputation, he was a powerful leader who expanded the Bonanno crime family's operations and was respected by his fellow mobsters. However, his reign was cut short when he was gunned down in 1979, leaving behind a mixed legacy as a mobster and a lover of cigars.